Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can turn on background download in Telegram. Well, there can be a specific reason for your Telegram not being able to download any kind of medias on the background. So you'll have to get to the settings in order to fix that. And after getting to the settings, scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. So after tapping on apps here, you'll have to search for Telegram. Here you can see Telegram is right here. Tap on it and open Telegram. And then here you can see the option of background app refresh. So currently here you can see this is turned off. This might be the specific reason for your Telegram not being able to download any kind of media in background. All you have to do is tap on it and enable it. Now you can go back and again you can open your Telegram and try to download any kind of media. Then you can go back and your Telegram will definitely start downloading on the background too. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.